Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times Design Team project. And I'm just going to jump right in. Starting out, I am using these Eyelet Doily dies. Love them. It's so pretty. And I'm using this largest circle along with the bunch of fun circles. Now this die fits perfectly onto this die, so I was able to make a complete card with that. So I'll show you that in just one moment. And then next up, I'm using the daisy dies, and I'm using everything except for these two circles. Using the foliage dies, and I'm just using these two here. And then from the Love You Most stamp and die set, I'm using Loved and Blessed, and then the coordinating die set. And then from the Dot Solids and Stripes paper pack, I'm using the pinks. And here goes that beautiful card. I love how it turned out. And then, of course, her stamps comes with that little heart in the center. I did not color that up, but I might have it finished by the time you see it post. You'll see it in the pictures at the end. I did color up these foliage leaves, and then I doubled up the flowers. And I also put some glossy accents on the center. I think you can see that there. And threw on some diamond dots, and that completed my card, and there goes that. I love how it turned out. All right, tell me what you think. Use the links down below to my Creative Time store, as well as her blog and everything else that you need to visit her, along with my design team sisters, and that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.